We have a responsibility to improve the lives of the people that we serve. Doing that the most efficient way possible, reducing overall emissions, reducing the impact on our society and our environment is a key component of who we are.
It's a tremendous blessing to me to have such a wonderful organization, to be surrounded by people who not only care about our business, but care about the communities that we work in.
We're one of the founding members of the Environmental Partnership, which is a voluntary program that provides companies with ways to improve their environmental performance. And one of those ways we've done that is by implementing a leak detection and repair program where we use infrared technology to locate leaks, to then repair leaks, and we use that same technology to verify that those leaks were successfully repaired. We also have control centers where we continuously monitor parameters like tank level and system pressures so that we can remotely stop equipment or shut off equipment before a release can even occur.
We've built an oil pipeline system and oil stabilization facility focusing on reducing our emissions and footprint in the DJ Basin. With the use of the pipeline system transporting oil directly from the well sites to the stabilization facility, we've removed hundreds of trucks from the road on a daily basis, eliminating emissions associated with trucks and reducing road safety incidents.
So keeping our communities safe goes hand in hand with keeping our employees safe. We design the facilities correctly, we make sure we have the correct standards that we work to, we select the areas that we're going to operate in carefully, and we design the plant so that they are as safe as possible.
We should be proud of what it is that we do, the important function that we provide within society. We should also be proud that we're going to do that the best possible way that we can.